in pertaining to the relations with US is a big issue of the crackdown of visas and also the mass deportation that have happened recently. Well, to speak on that, I also have my guest, Shriparna Pathak, international relations expert. Appreciate you joining me this morning, ma'am. And the Trump administration crackdown on student visas and the deportation of the Indians are also on the agenda of the talk specifically. And when we look at the future of the students and how exactly there was a talk after Donald Trump was reinstated into the government for the second time, that it is going to be very difficult for the students and for the aspiring people to stay and pursue their life and get settled in the US. How do you think that can also take some space into the agenda of the talks?
Um, Again, I think it's been pointed out earlier as well. The most important issue is going to be the talk on trade, on tariffs, and on how to build a better and more sustainable partnership, particularly with regards to China. But then, yes, even 2 to 3 days ago, India has stated that it's in touch with students who have been facing visa issues in the US, and MEA's position from earlier, it has been of advice to simply comply with US rules, but now it's saying that it's also talking about a legal route for injunctions against deportation and a 30% drop in US student visas to Indians. So it might be discussed, but then again, it's not going to be the most important thing which would be discussed. Indian students in the US, as compared to a lot of other students from other countries, generally have not been problematic, but then, well, if it's emerging as an arena of confrontation or of problems, I think this will come up.
What is expected in that regard? If there is going to be a talk, because the Indian side definitely is likely to raise this issue, given the kind of incidents that have happened in light, and there is also over a security issue. There are millions of Indians who are insecure right now about what happens ahead of these significant and this breakthrough decisions that have been taken by the Trump administration lately.
So, even before JD Vance's visit, I think even yesterday and day before yesterday, it's been reported across a lot of national dailies that there's a lot of controversy that's brewing ahead of US VP JD Vance's visit. But then the fact also has been that MEA, as of now, hasn't given out exact details. It's been tight-lipped about whether student visa issues termination is going to be raised. But then again, given the fact that, as you said, there have been a lot of Indians, and the second lady is also of Indian origin. It might come up, but that being said, it's not going to be the most important issue. The focus of both the governments right now is to thrash out an economic partnership and arrangement. So even if the visa issue is discussed, it will not be the most important one. It will probably, be point number 4 or point number 5. So that's my reading of the situation at the moment.
Well, all right. Thank you very much. I'll request you, Ms. Pathak, to stay with us on the broadcast, as we are also learning